Look at this wonderful creature. He's right here. All right, today we're gonna bring a scope, and this is a range scope. So you could, if you're gonna go bird watching or to the range, perfect way to actually capture moments. All right, so this thing is very powerful. It's a one lens. All right, it comes with its cleaning cloth, its own bag for protection, a tripod, and the attachment that you require for the actual phone attachment. All right, now this one has a focus in, range in, and also for your lens. All right, so you got two modes right here. Now the great thing about it is, if you guys notice, it does have a handle, but you could remove this, and this is where you actually put the actual tripod in there. Right, so just removing this, throwing it out and taking it out, and then just locking it in place. All right, this is how it works, like this. Now to set the phone, it's very simple. I do have an iPhone XR. All right, and this is the best phone to capture this kind of device, because if you have a multiple lens, you're gonna have to find and manipulate the actual modification of it. Right, if you guys notice, I do have a case with it, so I'm going to show you guys how to set this up. All right, you just want to make sure that the lens is well within the range. All right, so what you want to do is find your phone that you have. You open it up. You can open this up. All right, this is to actually loosen up the actual area, because you can go left and right, up and down, and so forth. You can change the whole thing, how it looks. No, so we're just gonna put it in place like that, and remember, I do have a protected case for it. So once you do that, just make sure you don't touch the buttons. All right, you look for the actual lens there, which you guys see. Once you find the lens in place, lock it in place. All right, that's all you got to do. Lock it in place. Make sure, if you want to put a tripod, I recommend you a tripod, because hand shakes, unless you have the stabilization of your phone, that's a good phone, it'll be able to do it. So you could set it up here as is, as a tripod, but in the meantime, I'm just going to show you how it works. We're going to take it out and test it out. So once you have the cap off, you have both ends open. All right, make sure you open both ends, because I have done that many times. So all you got to do is just, this thing attaches to it, and that's it. All right, that's pretty much it, and you're able to capture long distance. All right, so to focus, it's gonna kind of look like a funnel. All right, so you gotta have to zoom in with your finger just a little bit. You don't want to change the cameras. Just make sure you zoom in so you could get the full picture. So with this, you're able to get even longer distance. Now this attachment works for a lot of different binoculars too, not just this, but a great attachment. It comes with it all within the bundle itself. Very simple, easy to use. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Do you see another one nearby?
You got it.
Got it.
Got it. Woo!